Hi, my name is Pam Green. I'm from Valparaiso, Indiana. And I just wanted to let you know that I really disliked paper. And I really disliked piles in my kitchen. And they would make me crazy. And that would come out in different ways for my family, which was not good. But the Sunday basket is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I have two in my kitchen. They live in a cabinet and I can just open the door with any mail or note cards with ideas, tasks, whatever that might be. Put that in there, shut the door. My countertop is free, and I don't have to think about it until I'm ready to sit down and go through the Sunday basket. Um, I don't even mind paper now that I have the Sunday basket, which I think is huge. I actually look forward to that time to go through the Sunday basket and be more organized and be on top of tasks that before I would just put in a pile and forget about and then miss things and lose things. And it was not good for me or my family. Um, I think the system and the product is absolutely incredible. And the biggest thing for me is it is freeing. And I love it and I would highly recommend it.